In this video I show how I built a rocket launch controller. This time I invested a lot of effort into the design of the enclosure. I wanted an industrial look and I think I succeeded. The enclosure was printed by one of my Chinese suppliers using SLA and 9600 resin, which is the cheapest option. The quality is still amazing. Since threaded inserts cannot be melted into resin, I glued them in place using two-component epoxy adhesive. For painting I used acrylic spray paint, which adheres very well to the resin even without a primer. I use these audio jacks, which are actually intended for connecting speakers as terminals for the images. There are a total of 4 connections, so that different images can be started at the same time. Next, I installed the on-off switch and the key switch. The optical and acoustic signal device shown here is available on Amazon for around $20. I got the idea for it from the YouTube channel Tech Ingredients. When wiring, it's important to take your time, use the correct wire diameters and cover all contacts with heat shrink tubing to prevent accidental contact. This PCB, which I designed and populated, is used to control everything. For those interested, the complete circuit diagram is shown here. As already shown in the circuit diagram, a 3S LiPo battery serves as a power source. The battery voltage is monitored via a voltage divider with a low-pass filter. The voltage is calculated in the code as follows. To understand how capacity relates to the voltage of a 3S battery, let's look at the corresponding plot. I used a Gaussian function to approximate the capacity voltage graph. However, you can also work with a lookup table. Okay, let's test it. Thanks for watching. Stay true, stay you.